In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete, change, and remove reminders in Slack. This is a super useful skill if you're someone who heavily relies on Slack for managing your daily tasks and keeping your schedule on track. Let's dive right into it. First, let's talk about viewing your reminders. To see a list of all the reminders you've set in Slack, you need to use a simple command. Open Slack and in the message area, type the /command remind list. This command is like a handy assistant. It pulls up all your active reminders in an instant. You'll be able to see the time, the message content, and also where the reminder is set, like in a particular channel or a direct message. Now, if you have a reminder you realize you no longer need, you're going to want to delete it. Since you've already brought up the list of reminders, find the particular reminder you wish to remove. Each reminder on the list comes with its own unique reminder ID, which is displayed right next to it. Once you have this ID, get ready for another command. Type a remind cancel followed by the reminder ID. If, for example, the ID is 123456778, you'll type remind cancel 1235678. With this, the reminder will be deleted, keeping your list clutter-free. Next up, changing a reminder. While Slack doesn't allow you to edit reminders directly, unfortunately there isn't a simple edit button you can click. There's a straightforward workaround. First, you'll need to cancel the existing reminder using the cancel command we just talked about. Once the previous reminder is out of the way, you can create a new one with your updated information. This can be a new message, content, or a different time. For this, you'll use the command /remindMe2 followed by your task and the desired time. For instance, you might want to remind yourself to submit a report at 3 p.m. You'd type, remind me to submit report at 3 p.m. And there you have it, a new reminder with the details you need. And that's it. With these tips, managing your Slack reminders becomes a breeze, keeping you organized and efficient throughout your day. Remember, these commands are here to help streamline your task management within Slack, so make use of them whenever you can. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.